Hello, good day. Today in Dyana's kitchen. Happy Easter to everyone. Today I want to show you how to make some red pea soup, guys. Alright, let's start, guys. Okay, guys. So guys, this is my beef that I'm going to use to make my red pea soup, okay? This is the beef, guys, okay? And guys, this is the pigtail, guys. This is how the pigtail come when you buy it, guys, okay, at the meat market. And then you can ask them to cut it up, guys, or you can, you know, cut it up yourself. This is how it looks when it cut up, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna put some pigtail in my red pea soup, guys. All right, and guys, this is my my peas, guys. This is 2 cups of peas, guys. Okay, this is my red peas, guys. All right, this is how the red peas looks, guys. All right, and guys, this is my season. This is my season, guys. This is my scallion. This is my thyme that I'm going to put in my soup, guys. Okay, and this is my pepper, guys. All right, and this is my Irish. I'm going to put some Irish. All right, guys. And this is my piece of yam, guys. You can put white yam or you can put yellow yam in your soup, okay? Because this is red pea soup. Okay, guys. And I have 2 corn here that I'm going to put in my soup. Okay, but guys, you don't have to put everything that I have. Okay, but I would like the corn and the yam and everything in my soup. But these are just the seasoning stuff. This Strew stuff is just a seasoning your soup, guys, to give it a nice flavor. Okay, guys. All right. Guys, so what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm not gonna cut up this because I already have my pigtail already cut up. I'm just gonna cut up my my piece of beef, guys, and I'm not gonna use all of this beef either, guys. I'm just gonna use half of it, and I like the funny part, guys, because when you use it and boil the soup, it tastes so yummy. So when I'm buying the beef to cook the soup, guys, I like to buy the, you know, to buy the funny part. Okay. So this is the beef, guys. So I'm just cut it up like this, guys. Okay. So this is it, guys. Alright, so I'm just gonna throw it here. I'm gonna cut off another. Okay, guys, so right now I'm gonna wash my my piece of beef, guys, with some vinegar. So guys, if you have vinegar or if you don't have vinegar and have lemon juice, guys, so this is the vinegar, guys. If you have lemon juice, just throw some on your beef, guys. Okay, and you wash your beef. Okay, you want to wash off your beef and your pigtail, guys. Okay, you know, give it a good wash. Give it a good wash, guys. Okay. Wash this. So guys, right now I'm gonna wash my beef. You know, you just put your peas and rub them together. Because sometimes you have a little dirt in there, so I always check my peas. Because sometimes you buy the peas and, you know, so remember the peas come from the ground. So you definitely guys want to wash your peas, you know. You want to wash your peas really good, guys. So what I'm going to do right now, guys, I'm just going to throw my peas right now in my pot. So my peas are already washed. Okay. Alright, guys, my peas are already washed. So when I throw it in the pot, I feel no dirt. So you know it's already clean. Right, so I'm going to take some water right now in that. And then dump everything together, guys. My beef and my pigtail, guys. Okay, and guys, I have some garlic powder here. I'm gonna put some garlic powder, guys. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of garlic powder, guys. Okay, because the garlic powder helps the peas to cook. Okay, because the peas take a while, guys, to cook. So the garlic powder, and I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of salt. And guys, if you buy the pigtail and the pigtail salt, you need to scald it off first. But if it's not the salt one like this one, this is not the salt one, guys. So I don't have to scald it off or nothing because it's not the salt one. But if you buy it and it's the salt one, you definitely want to scald it off. Okay, guys? Okay, I'm throwing, guys, like a teaspoon of salt. Alright, once it cooks, and if I feel like I need more salt, I will definitely put more salt. Okay, but guys, I want to show you this before I put this on the stove. This pigtail, guys, sometimes you buy it at the meat shop and you buy the salty one. Well, right now this is not the salty one, this is the unsalt one. Okay, but if you buy the salty one, guys, you definitely want to scald it off. You don't want to cook it like that because your soup will be really salty. Okay. Alright guys, so guys, I'm gonna put this to boil for like an hour, guys, because sometimes the peas take a while. Okay, sometimes you can put it for 45 minutes, sometimes an hour, because sometimes the peas take a while. If you use a pressure, it more faster. Okay guys? Alright. Okay guys, so this is my red pea soup, guys. It's boiling really nicely, guys. So right now I'm waiting for the peas to cook. Okay, and the beef, guys. These are the season that I show you to season up your soup. This is the scallion. Remember I show you this. So right now, guys, I'm just cutting up my scallion because my soup is right now. My soup is on the stove boiling. It's not finished yet. So meanwhile my soup is boiling, guys, I'm just cutting up my season. Okay. So this is my my thyme. What you can do, guys, you can take this off the stick, wash it, and then you can take it off the stick. But for me, I'm just going to wash it like this, guys. I'm not going to take it off the stick. So I have a nice bundle here. So I'm just going to wash these and just put in my pot. And I have some nice pepper here. So my pepper, guys. Okay, I'm going to use a green one, guys. And I'm going to use a green and a yellow one, guys. You can just drop one in the pot and then you can just wash them, guys. Wash them. And you can just drop the green one in the pot and then cut off a piece of the yellow one and put it in the pot for flavor. But if you don't like eat, don't cut this. Don't cut it. Just drop one in the pot. Just don't use two. Okay. All right, guys. So this is my season. So I'm gonna put this aside because my soup is boiling right now. So meanwhile it's boiling, I'm just cutting up all these. Okay. Alright guys, so this can stay here. Alright guys, so this is my corn, guys. This is my corn, guys. You know, I'm just preparing these until the soup finish, and then I will season the soup and so on, guys. Okay, so this is the corn. So I take off all of this skin off the corn, guys. Okay, and you cut the bottom, guys. You want to cut the bottom. Alright, so you're going to wash your corn, guys, and if you want to cut it smaller, you can cut it smaller. Alright, so make sure you wash it, because all of these here to come off the corn, guys. Alright, if you want it smaller, you can do it smaller. Alright, so guys, I have my corn. Okay, so now this is my potato, guys. So now I'm just peeling my potato, guys. This is my potato, guys. Okay, just cut it in two. Guys, I know my husband gonna love this soup because my husband loves some soup. Okay, if you want to know if the meat cook, you can get a small bowl and you want to test it. You can test it to see if it cook. Just test it to see if it's cooked. So you know it's cooked. You see? You know it's cooked. So it's very soft. The beef is very soft. So now we're going to test the pigtail because we want to make sure our pigtail cook. So now we're going to test the pigtail to see if it's coming off the bone. So yes, the pigtail cook. And what you do, you can test the peas just to see if the peas cook. Too, you want to test to see if the peas cook. Look, you see? The fork is mashing out the peas, so you know the peas cook, so you know everything is ready. So everything is ready now. So now we're gonna throw, remember, our yam and potato and corn. We're gonna just dump it here. And guys, I changed the pot. Alright, I just changed the pot because the pot was so small. So guys, if you're making soup, you need a bigger pot. You can cook it in a smaller pot, but once you're gonna throw it out your food and so on, in like your yam and your potato and you know, and your corn and so on, you need a bigger pot, guys. Okay, so I exchanged the pot, as you can see. Okay, so right now guys, I'm gonna make this cook, but meanwhile this cook, I'm gonna need some flour. I'm gonna make some dumpling to put in my soup. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to make some dumpling for my soup. Alright guys, so guys, this is my flour. I'm gonna throw some flour, guys, to make some caramel dumpling. Okay, alright guys, so this is my flour, guys, and then I'm gonna put some caramel, alright, in my flour. So you know, we call it caramel dumpling in Jamaica. In my country, we call it caramel dumpling, guys. So guys, this is the salt. Alright, you're gonna put, guys, like a teaspoon of salt, guys. Okay, or half a teaspoon. You don't want it salt, you know. Alright guys, and you use a spoon and, you know, combine your salt and your caramel and your flour together, guys. Okay. My pot, guys. Alright guys, let's go. And you know what I'm gonna put in my soup, guys? I'm gonna put, guys, some coconut. Okay, some coconut milk I'm gonna put in my soup. Okay guys, I'm gonna put some coconut milk. The coconut milk give it a nice flavor, guys. Not all of it, guys. Okay, so that's my milk, guys. And then once I finish make my dumpling, I'm gonna season it up. Okay guys, so this is the season. Okay guys, this is my season. Okay, my scallion and my thyme, guys. And you remember I show you my pepper. Alright, so I'm putting in my season right now. So I'm gonna just cut a little bit. I'm cutting it. It's cooked so nicely, guys. Looks really nice. So guys, this is my soup. I just dish my soup, guys. So here is my red pea soup, guys. Here it is, guys. Guys, if you watch the video and you want me to make something, please let me know, guys. Alright, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Alright, thank you so much for watching. God bless you.